Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. Today I am reviewing the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops for the ultimate glow and brightening. The product here looks like this. Glow Recipe very generously sent this over a few months back as part of PR during their Glow Essentials by Michaela campaign. This is not in any way a sponsored video. I am simply sharing my thoughts and opinions on this product with you. If you are new here, my name is Nadia and I'm a licensed esthetician who loves to test and review skincare products. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and be sure to hit that notification bell so that you do not miss any future uploads. I am having some problems with my eye here, so it may look a little crusty. Don't mind that. It's just kind of tearing up and, doing its own thing over here. You can find this product at Sephora and glowrecipe.com. A 1 ounce unit of this serum retails for $34. For a natural glow, Glow Recipe suggests that you use 1 pump of this serum before your moisturizer and your SPF. To prime the skin for makeup, you may use 1 to 2 pumps as the last step in your skincare routine prior to makeup application. You may also mix a pump of this serum with your foundation to increase hydration or to increase your glow. The ingredients list here is quite short, and overall this is loaded with hydrating, anti-aging, antioxidants. We see glycerin, the 4th ingredient here, and it is naturally found in your skin, helps to retain moisture, and is typically found in a lot of products I've reviewed here on my channel. We also see niacinamide, the 5th ingredient here. This is an anti-aging, pore minimizing ingredient that also minimizes transepidermal water loss. The same thing that I love about the FARMACY 10% Niacinamide Mask is something I love about this product due to the niacinamide content, as niacinamide here helps improve the appearance of dull, uneven skin tone and the appearance of enlarged pores. We also see moringa seed oil here. It is an antioxidant rich in oleic acid that also has calming effects to the skin. And the watermelon fruit extract here delivers essential vitamins and amino acids to visibly brighten skin and hydrate skin. This is a lightweight gel-like serum that my skin really enjoyed after a disastrous facial. I avoided vitamin C and other acids such as salicylic, glycolic, and lactic acid after my skin had recovered and rebalanced itself. To calm, soothe, and rebalance my skin, I used the Summer Fridays Dream Oasis Serum morning and evening for about a week. I will link the review to that product up above in case you missed it. After my skin felt better, I began to use the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops on April 12th. During my daytime routine, I used 1 pump and a half to cover my face and neck. It spread nicely and I didn't notice a scent right away. My skin looked radiant all day. I experienced no discomfort and this wore very nicely under makeup. Once removed, the pores along my forehead looked smaller and overall my skin looked radiant even after rinsing this product off. I wore this under the Peter Thomas Roth Invisible sunscreen and I did not experience any pilling or disruption to the appearance of my makeup that day. On April 17th, I noted that I really liked the serum and that my skin had been feeling very well since I began the test. On April 19th, I noted that I really enjoyed using this along the Summer Fridays Dream Oasis Serum. I used the Summer Fridays Dream Oasis Serum as a moisturizer, and that combo worked very nicely under the Peter Thomas Roth Clear SPF. On April 25th, I noted that it worked well under different sunscreens, and it still managed to give my skin a very healthy glow. Again, my skin continued to feel balanced, hydrated, and overall just nice and glowy. I have used a number of niacinamide-based products before, such as the Paula's Choice Niacinamide Booster, and quite recently the 10% Niacinamide Overnight Mask by FARMACY, which I've reviewed here on my channel. So I will link that review up above in case you missed it, or if you'd like to learn a little bit more about one of my favorite products by FARMACY. Because Watermelon Glow is so lightweight, I think that I can use this year round in dry, cold months or in humid, warm months. I really like the flexibility of this product as I can layer it with other serums, and it gives my skin such a lovely glow. I haven't personally used this over makeup or mixed in with my makeup because my foundation of choice currently already includes niacinamide. I have, however, mixed it with the Strawberry Smooth serum, and that in fact did improve texture while giving my skin the ultimate glow and also keeping breakouts at bay. Both products worked very, very well together without irritating my skin. I definitely prefer the FARMACY 10% Niacinamide Mask for nightly use, and I love using this during my daytime routine. Overall, I have noticed brighter, luminous, hydrated, balanced skin with no inflammation, irritation, or congestion. I've also noted a stronger barrier, especially after the bad facial. And I honestly am saying this, I don't think I would have enjoyed this serum as much as I do now had my barrier not been effed up. This has given me the glow that I look for in my vitamin C serums, and it was a great alternative to vitamin C when I just could not tolerate it. This works well with other water-based serums without pilling, and I used this under multiple SPFs, such as the Cocoa Kind SPF, the Peter Thomas Roth Invisible SPF, the FARMACY SPF. It all worked beautifully together. For nighttime use, I have used this over my tretinoin, and it's worked well. I've also used this with the Summer Fridays Heavenly 16 Oil, which it looks just like this. And I've paired it with my Ulla Henriksen Peptide Booster Moisturizer, which I recently emptied. And I've used all of those without any issues. My favorite way to use this particular product is by cleansing with the Peach and Lily Gel Cleanser, following it with the Murad Hydrating Toner, using the Drunk Elephant Shaba Eye Complex, the Summer Fridays Brightening Eye Cream, and followed by 1.5 pumps of the serum, followed by Dream Oasis as a moisturizer and the Cocoa Kind SPF. I feel like that is a really good daytime combo for me. I would recommend the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops to anyone dealing with dull, dry, dehydrated skin who is concerned with pore size, signs of aging, and uneven tone. My pros here are the packaging. I really like it. There is some weight to this product and it feels very luxe. And it also looks very fun at the same time. This product is scented, but the scent went unnoticed for a while. Typically I reached for this in the morning. So in the morning time, I am like applying everything in a mad dash, trying to be early to work, never on time, just early. And I didn't really notice the scent until I had the opportunity to just take my time and really appreciate the texture, the scent, the experience of this product. This again was a great alternative to vitamin C when I had to avoid it, but I still needed it to give me that luminosity that I look for in my vitamin C serums. I felt like this hydrated my skin very nicely. It strengthened it, it repaired it, and it allowed it to feel comfortable and balanced throughout the day after a very uncomfortable week. My con here is that this is fragranced, and fragrance can be sensitizing to some. I am rating the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops a 9 out of 10. I really like this serum, and I haven't really reached for my vitamin C serums since introducing this to my skincare routine. I like the fact that this gives my skin a luminous glow without feeling heavy or greasy, thus compromising the performance of my makeup. If you are sensitive to fragrance, however, do you consider performing a patch test prior to use? As the fragrance is a very kind of light, watermelon-like scent that I personally do not find to be offensive, and I feel like it doesn't even linger at all. I feel like it just kind of disappears after applying it. But overall, I've really enjoyed using this by Glow Recipe, and I feel like this may be my favorite niacinamide-based serum. Pharmacy's 10% Niacinamide Mask is still one of my favorite niacinamide-based products. So I'm going to end my video there. I hope that you all enjoyed it. I will link this product down below. That is all I have for you all. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a like if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. That is all I have for you. Thanks for spending some time with me, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. I hope that you didn't mind Toby snoring in the background. I have no idea what's going on over there.